Amid a rapidly advancing world, India once struggled with a crippling lack of basic infrastructure, years of government neglected to global skepticism. Yet India never stopped seeking its moment to rise. That moment arrived in 2014 when the nation's leadership was placed in capable hands that recognized India's true strength, limitless potential. After 2014, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India's infrastructure witnessed a transformative shift. The construction and expansion of roads, expressways, airports, railway stations, and bridges gained unprecedented momentum. Now, with the first budget of Modi 3.0, ambitious initiatives like Smart Cities and Atmanirbhar Bharat have received a fresh boost, further accelerating India's journey toward progress. With this budget, the foundation of a developed India has been strengthened through major announcements in infrastructure and manufacturing. This includes a 1.5 lakh crore interest-free loan for states to accelerate infrastructure development. The ecosystem is being reinforced with a seamless collaboration between the public and private sectors, ensuring sustained economic growth. The focus is also on enhancing urban livelihoods and expanding micro-industries, paving the way for a strong and self-reliant India. To further strengthen development, states will receive interest-free loans for 50 years. The Make in India initiative will see the launch of a national action plan for manufacturing, with a special focus on establishing India as a global hub in the toy sector. Additionally, a 1 lakh crore Urban Challenge Fund has been introduced for city redevelopment, ensuring better water supply, sanitation, and creative urban projects. Furthermore, ministries will plan public-private partnership (PPP) projects for the next 3 years to optimize infrastructure expansion. Additionally, the government has introduced the second phase of the Asset Monetization Plan, aimed at raising 10 lakh crore to fuel economic growth. Today, India's infrastructure is moving forward at an unprecedented pace as the nation marches toward Viksit Bharat 2047. These decisive steps will serve as cornerstones in achieving the goal of a fully developed India, where infrastructure, innovation, and ambition converge to create a strong, self-reliant, and prosperous future.